Are you looking for a way to generate income online with a low startup cost and no inventory hassle? Digital products are the perfect solution for beginners in 2024 and 2025. This is a screenshot of my payment from one of the affiliate marketing platforms called ClickBank of over $500 a day. And in this video, I'm going to explore 10 digital products that are easy to create, cost effective to sell, and can also be scaled to generate passive income. Now, in the beginning of this year, I embarked on an extensive research about what product and what business one should start and start making money on the internet. And what I discovered is that digital product is the number one major business that you can start that are both lucrative, and I will tell you some of the advantage right now. Number one is the low startup cost. Number two is the high profit potential. In digital products, you can literally make up to 90% pure profit because of the startup cost that is very, very low. Number three is unlimited scalability. You can scale digital products from zero to literally millions and millions of dollars. I'm telling you, you need to look at it. Then finally, digital products allows you to have a minimal overhead when you're starting your business. And that is why you need to right now begin to look at digital product as a major business for you to start in 2024 and 2025 and beyond. And in this video, I'm going to be walking you through 10 digital products right now that you can start, and you can start selling this product to start making money. But is it the best type of business for beginner? Oh yes, definitely. Digital product is the best business for beginners, and here are some numbers for you to be thinking about. The global e-learning market is projected to reach about 325 billion by 2025, according to Forbes. Also, 72% of business prefer to learn through videos and digital content. This finding was by HubSpot. Finally, digital products have profit margin as high as 70 to 90% due to the low startup cost. You see, all these advantages are driven by certain major drivers. And here are the drivers that are making this digital product business so lucrative. One of the drivers is remote work. People now want to work from home, from the comfort of their home, and for them to be able to do that, they need to also learn from home. And that is why remote work is doing so much. Then online education becomes the new stuff, because the industry of online education basically rely on digital products. And finally, content consumers are skyrocketing the demands for digital products, and this is driving profit like crazy. So with that out of the way, let me show you 10 digital products every beginner should consider starting right now to start making money online. The first product is ebook. Yes, ebook. Now, writing an ebook requires minimal tools. All you need is just a word processor like Google Doc, Microsoft Word, and an expertise in a specific niche. If you have a skill, you can cook, you are a coach, you are a freelancer, you know how to create website, whatever skill you have, you're an artisan, you are a plumber, you can literally write about what you have expertise in and put it in a digital product and sell. If you want to start this business, startup cost is around zero. And if you want to start maybe using paid version of editing tool like Canva, that is where you have to now pay certain amount per month. But other than that, you don't have much overhead. Statistically, the global ebook market is expected to reach 18.4 billion by 2026. This is according to Statista. Now, when it comes to the income potential of this business, authors can make anywhere from $100 to $10,000 per month, depending on the niche and on the applied marketing strategy. And now, this is just the first thing that brings money to authors. But the moment you start having digital ebooks, they begin to invite you for speaking gigs, for keynote speaking, and even you having your own business that is running because of you started with a digital product. This is huge, guys. Second business you need to consider right now is online course creation. I'm telling you, this is one of the most lucrative business to start in this year. Like I said, if you have knowledge or you're an expert in a specific subject matter, maybe let's say in business, in fitness, in cooking, you can package this knowledge and expertise into creating an online course using platforms like Teachable and Udemy, right? And when you're starting this stuff, the cost here, you can start for free. But if you want to invest, you can go up to $50 to $200 for investment for you to start creating this high-end profit business. And the cost you'll be spending is just for the online course and also probably the editing tools. But like I said, you can start everything for free using Canva, using tools like CapCut to edit your videos for free. The online market is valued at 250 billion in 2020 and continues to grow rapidly. When it comes to income potential, instructors or course creators are making nothing less than $1,000 to $50,000 per month. Some even make way more than that. If they already have their personal branding stuff going on, their course get to sell even way more. Right? Third product to go for is printables. Yes, I'm talking about creating journals, creating worksheets, creating workbook. Yes, that is the third business to go into. All this stuff, they don't even require technical skills at all, and they can be sold online on Etsy, on Amazon, from your Pinterest. You can sell all this stuff. They don't even require technical skill, and you can get this done. Startup cost is literally $0 because you're going to be using Canva to design these stuffs, and Canva allow you to design for free. Now, printables are among the top selling digital products on Etsy right now as we speak, with an annual growth rate of 15% and above. Every year it keeps growing with over 15%. So if you are saying the market is too saturated, everybody is doing printable, everybody is doing journal, planners, worksheet, you are just shooting yourself on the foot, because we have a lot more people demanding for this year after year. And when it comes to the income potential for this, sellers are generating $500 to $5,000 and above per month with minimal marketing. They don't even need to kill themselves off this stuff, and they are making such amount of money. The fourth digital product you can start right now is stock photos or digital art. Now, if you're a photographer, this is gonna be perfect for you, because selling stock photos or art online requires no additional cost at all. Beyond the camera you're gonna have, all your drawing tools for you to draw the art and put them online. You're not spending a dime after all that. So the startup cost is literally $0. Now, the global stock photography market is expected to reach $4 billion by 2025. $4 billion by 2025. Income potential for this, for photographers can literally earn passive income from platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. And that brings us to digital product business you can start right now in this year. Number 5, and I'm talking about something very useful. If you have a basic design skills, then this business is for you. I'm talking about website themes and template creation. As this, they can literally do crazy stuff. You can create literally websites using WordPress for free and sell it to people who need it. You can create a theme page, website using Shopify, Squarespace, and all this business is very lucrative. Startup cost is anything around $50 to $100, because you might need some design tools and for hosting your product. After that, you are not spending a dime, and you keep raking in profit after profit every single time. Now, the web design template market is projected to grow by 12% annually as businesses increasingly are moving everything online. See, we still have a lot of business. The major part of business are yet not online. So if you are thinking that web development business is dead, you need to think again, because the business that are not online are more than the business that are currently online. Being online does not mean that you just have a Facebook account. No, like we mean talking about having a website, having a sales funnel, having a marketing platform that can automate sales and keep bringing in money. But once you know how to create that, you make a lot of money. Income potential here, people who can do this are making up to $1,000 to $20,000 per month, and you can be selling your template on marketplace like Team Forest, right? Digital product number 6 to consider is no other but digital planners. Now, digital planners are highly popular when it comes to productivity enthusiasts. Right? They are easy to create, and using tools like GoodNotes and Canva, you can literally create something that can start fetching you money right now, because a lot of people who are thinking about becoming more focused, planning their life, planning their activities, especially people with money, I mean entrepreneurs, they love these products. So startup cost for this is free, because you can get this done on Canva and put it on Etsy. Both are free platforms to create and to sell. What are you waiting for? Hop on this trend and start selling digital planners. Now, digital planners market has grown by 30% in recent years, as more people prefer planning digitally than just taking their book to go and start planning their life and their days, right? And income potential here can be from $1,000 up to $10,000 depending on the niche and on your target audience, plus your marketing strategy. That is why you need to go and watch my masterclass on how to create a digital marketing funnel. Everything you need to market your product, to sell your product, and I did that complete course for free. You can literally start from nothing and start creating your dream life by learning how to create your marketing strategy, because these products are easy to create. The only thing that is a little bit challenging to learn is the marketing and the sales, and I've done that for you. You click below, go and watch that complete masterclass, and your life will never remain the same. The seventh product to consider is membership site or subscription content. Yes, I know what you're thinking. Oh, it's only for experts. It's only for people who have a lot of audience, for them to create a membership site for their audience. No. Platforms like Patreon and Substacks make it easy for creators like you and I, everyday normal creators without thousands of followers, to create and monetize their ongoing content like newsletters, exclusive content, exclusive videos, and all that. You can literally monetize it, and you don't need to go and spend money on creating your own website and be looking for members. Members on YouTube and all those platforms can literally be buying your content. Startup cost here is very, very low. You can start up with $0. Now, maybe if you want to boost some things, you can pay platform fees and maybe probably content creation fee if you are not a content creator yourself, right? Now, subscription-based business is one of the most lucrative business that anyone can start and be making recurring income right now. And this business model is skyrocketing. As I'm speaking to you right now, this business model, when it comes to subscription, is projected to reach $1.5 trillion by the end of 2025. Now, if you are not tapping from this, by the way, this research is from McKinsey. If you are not tapping from this whole digital prosperity, I don't know what you're waiting for, because there is never a time where creating wealth is more easier than now. As a matter of fact, I mean creating generational wealth. Wealth that your kids can come and enjoy and they can continue from where you stop, right? An income potential of this subscription model can generate anything from $1,000 to $50,000 per month, depending on the audience size that are patronizing you, your pricing, and your marketing strategy. Digital product number 8 to go for is audio production. Yes, audio production. We're looking at digital product that you can sell that is not too common and is easy for you. Like I said, it has to be something that is easy to create and it's not too saturated, and the startup cost is low. Even the entry barrier is also low. A lot of people are not looking at this angle when it comes to audio production. Everybody focus on video, but audio is doing so well. Now, audio products can be monetized through platforms like Spotify, SoundCloud, and even selling sound effects on sites like Audio Jungle, what people are not talking about on the internet. You don't need to be a YouTuber to make money online and even on YouTube. You can start creating music with AI and uploading this music on your Spotify account and still putting it on YouTube and still be monetizing it on various platforms. Audio is making so much money. And if you are shy, then this is perfect for you as well. To start, you need $0. You can literally create music with an AI tool. I will do a video on this, right? For free, and upload it. You can go on Sonu right now. Click the link below. You go on Sonu, go and sign up on Sonu for free and start creating audio content that you can be putting on Spotify and other podcast platforms and be making money. Now, the podcast industry alone is expected to reach $1 billion by the end of 2024, and from 2025 upward, this amount is gonna be increasing every single year. Successful podcaster and musicians can make up to $500 to $10,000 monthly through ads, subscription, and product sales. Plus the streaming that comes with it on the streaming platform like Spotify. Come on, this is a huge amount of money. And like I said, you don't need to be a musician. You just need to be able to know what type of audio you are creating. You can also start business helping other creators to create their audios for them. Digital product business number 9 to go into is digital tools creation and softwares. Now, I know what you'll be thinking. I don't know how to code. I cannot create software. This is too difficult for me. No, it's not difficult, right? Even with the basic coding skills, you can become a billionaire creating basic softwares that is useful to people. And even without it, with a prompting skills, you can go on ChatGPT and literally create software written by ChatGPT for you, and you can create simple things like calculator, productivity apps, plugins that solve specific problems. These are not difficult stuff to do. Now, startup cost for you is going to be $0 if you are using ChatGPT to create this stuff. Yes, but if you want to go to use some premium tools and to get some people on board, then you will spend anything around $100 to $500 for you to create this basic software and plus marketing. Now, the SaaS, software as a service market, is projected to grow up to 307 billion by 2026. This market is only going one direction, and that direction is up. Developers can earn anything from $1,000 to $10,000 monthly depending on the product value and their reach. The last but not the least on my list of top 10 digital products to start is no other but affiliate marketing. This particular one, along with others that I've mentioned for you, is something that I've been involved with. As a matter of fact, as you can see, this is a screenshot of my payment from one of the affiliate marketing platform called ClickBank of over $500 a day, right? And this is possible. Within a month, you make even much more than that. Digital marketing is a lucrative one. Now, when you are involved in digital marketing, there are things that you need to understand, right? In digital marketing, you don't create your own product. When you are involved in affiliate marketing, you don't create your own products. You only market and promote other people's products, and you make commission up to 70 to 90% of the commission. Now, but I have a unique part to this stuff. How I do my own is this: I create a digital guide or an ebook, right? And this ebook, I create them for free. Then I give people access to this particular book. The moment they have access to this book, while they read the book, inside of the book that is free, there are some products that are going to be mentioned with their affiliate link. Because I've already helped them, they will go and check this affiliate link. And when they go to check the product, my affiliate link is embedded in this digital product. And when they buy, I get commission. And that is how I was able to make this amount, this amount, this amount, and this amount. They keep coming in this form, and they will never stop. Now, the affiliate marketing industry is set to grow to 12 billion globally by the end of 2025. And how cool is that? Now, beginners can start earning up to $500 to $10,000, like I've showed you, monthly by promoting high-ticket products. Yes, nothing is stopping you. Now, the only thing that can be a roadblock for you right now is it's not creating the product. It's not having an affiliate marketing, right? It's not ChatGPT, it's not Canva. The only roadblock you might have is how to market and promote your product. And that is why I went ahead and I created a complete course for free on how you can learn how to market your product. And this is the course. It's a full digital marketing funnel where you can understand step by step what you need to do to become digital marketing guru that can help you to start making money on the internet. Whether as a freelancer, as an affiliate marketer, as a developer, whatever product you want to create, that course is going to help you. Click the link below, go and watch it, and see you in the next video. Let's go make this money. All right, guys. See you in the next one.